Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tres Jolie channel, or my channel. I am here, going to be working on my second project, kind of trying to get things worked out. I have this little canvas, and it came from Dollar Tree, and it had a word on, I think it said imagine or something. So I liked the size of it, which is why I had originally got it. And I have, since, I put some black gesso on it, and I'm going to try to sort of get this collaged together. I still have this frame and this transparency and these flowers, butterflies, and chipboard from the kit, along with the mediums. And I'm just really gonna try to see what I can accomplish here. And I think my first go is gonna be trying to tear up kind of some paper for the background. And I have these sheets. I have no idea what they came from. Maybe maybe an encyclopedia. That's possible. Maybe it's an encyclopedia of people. I couldn't tell you. Pretty sure these are people's names, but they're not in English. Let me see. So it's either a regular encyclopedia or encyclopedia of people, or it looks encyclopedia-y. Anyhow, I'll show you. I got those from, I had got them from this Etsy shop. There it is. I think it's in the Netherlands. I think that's where that one is. It had really cool selection of different things. Anyhow, that's where these came from. And I picked it. I have a lot of little pages that I had got from there, but these ones were the least aged. I also have some paper that I'm trying not to hoard. It's vintage bison, and it's from Friends and Craft O'Clock, and it came in the October 2019 scrapbooking kit from Tres Jolie. And I didn't get around to being able to use it that month, or well, apparently since then, but I did decide it would work rather nicely, especially a darker bit on this, I think. Okay, my clear gesso is dry, and I'm just going to, well, mostly dry, and I'm just going to use the Cafe a lot paint on here, and I'm not going to use a brush. I'm going to use a spatula so I can get some just broad random strokes. And I'm just going to set this aside to dry, and I am going to paint the chipboard in the same color, and I'm not going to put gesso on it. I don't really think it would make a big difference, and I actually think painting it directly on would work better for my vision. My paint has dried, and I'm gonna work on more of the background, and I figured I actually planned this ahead. One option would be to stencil on here, but I thought the chipboard makes a kind of a rather good stencil replacement, especially since I would have just stenciled in the same color. Anyhow, so I am going to be working on figuring out exactly where I want to put my pieces and exactly how I'm going to be working everything out. I'm going to use the gel medium again. Works great as an adhesive. And spread it on, and then put the transparency down. Okay, I have my bricks down, and I'm going to try to play around with the placement of the flowers and the butterflies. I think I'm going to add these from my stash. They're close in color, but just a little bit different. They are, I think they're gold. They're Rene Bouquet roses. And I think I'm going to use them as part of my final plan. This is actually almost done, minus the drying. I have lit my canvas, finished drawing, and I am calling it done. I do like how it is now, and I don't think anything else needs to be added to it. Thank you for joining us here at Tres Jolie, or for joining me on my channel. I hope that this project inspired you and gave you ideas on what can be done with items from this month's mixed media kit. And I'll be back at least one more time this month, and I'll see you then.